Hello, this is Exponents and Radicals, Radical Expressions, Example 1. And in Example 1, we have the square root of 32, and we need to simplify this. Now, if you do this on a calculator, you'll get a decimal for the square root of 32, but that would just be an approximation. And we're interested in just simplifying this, not getting an approximation. Now I've wrote down the first square roots, and you'll see 32 is not in here, but 16 is. And 32 is 16 times 2. So with that in mind, we're going to use this to simplify this. We can substitute equals for equals, and 32 is 16 times 2. When we have a product like this, we can split this into radical 16 times radical 2. Now, as I said before, the square root of 16 is 4. So this is equal to 4 radical 2. So to simplify radical 32, I look for any of these things that 32 can be broken up into, and I broke it up into 16 times 2 to get 4 radical 2. B is very similar. Square root of 9, well, that's 3. So right off the bat, I can simplify this into the square root of 9 times the square root of x to the third. And that's 3 times the square root of x to the third. Now, see, the square root of x squared is x. The square root of x to the fourth is x to the second power. Well, I can use this to simplify this a little bit more. I can say that this is 3 times the square root of x squared times x. So now I can split these apart, and I get 3 times the square root of x squared times the square root of x. The square root of x squared is equal to x, so this simplifies into 3x times the square root of x.